Olympics, I think it's everyone dreams to get Olympic medal, and I am hoping that all of us, all the badminton players have trained really well, and
లోపల రానియండి అమ్మా. మేడం 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 మేడం
నీకు తెలుసుకోండి అట్లా మేడం మేడం ఉన్నారు కదా మేడం కూడా
సార్ और 5 minutes will start auspicious time మేడం
ఈ 35 కాన్సెప్ట్ క్లాస్ కొంచెం ముందు
మీరు అందరు పట్టుకోండి
మేడం
Madam, please cover left and right the operators both.
ఇది పిక్చర్ ఇప్పుడు పట్టుకోండి మేడం తనకి ఇవ్వండి మేడం
మేడం ఒకసారి మేడం
మేడం ఒక్కసారి చూడండి మేడం అందరు ఇక్కడ आ रहे
फॉलो कौन कर हो जाएगा अगर थोड़ा डेडिकेटेड है तो होना ही चाहिए बेसिकली जो बच्चे
उधर आइए ना प्लीज आप इधर आइए ना
चेक करते रहो जैसे
मेरे सामने आइए ना
मैडम आप चेक करते रहो कुछ
नहीं एक सेकंड राइट
It's a beautiful clinic, and I think as a child, whatever you learn will be with you throughout your life. So first of all, if you don't want to visit the clinic, take care of your health. But if you're coming to the clinic, it's very important that you are here enjoying yourself, and the doctors are here to take care of you very nicely. I saw a very beautiful play area for the kids. They're going to really have good time. It's wonderful for the kids. But at the same time, I think health is very important nowadays, and you really have to focus on your health, on your oral health, on your mental health. It's become a part of your daily routine, and I think you should make it a part of your daily routine, because that's what is going to help you in your daily routine. Suppose if you're working on your physical health, give yourself 1 to 2 hours go out and little bit of your walking, jogging, training, take care of your body, and then it's very important to take care of your oral health. So I would recommend आप 2 बार ब्रश कीजिए, बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत फ्रेश लगता है, नींद भी अच्छी आती है, and then you can also focus on your work as well, I think, और ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है, and at the same time mind health is also very important. So in whichever way you want to relax yourself, you want to control yourself, because sometimes we all go through these situations where we are tensed, where we are having a lot of stress in life, but I think you should make meditation also part of your life, and that's become very very common nowadays, and I think everyone should follow these routines to keep yourself healthy. If you are not healthy, then I don't think you are going to enjoy your life. And today I am here at V Little, and when I see this beautiful clinic, I can definitely say the doctors are here to not give you brace if your teeth are not aligned properly. They're going to help you with the exercises, which is very natural way. And I'm so happy to know that they're going to give exercises for everything, even for the nasal breathing. Sometimes we forget how to breathe from the nose because of our daily work. So it's very very good to know that they're having exercises for nasal breathing, for your dental care, and what else you require. Physically, I'm sure you have to take care of yourself. Otherwise, if you have anything in your life, you're not going to enjoy it. अगर आपका health अच्छा नहीं है, तो please take care of your health. As a sports person, I can tell you, अगर healthy है तो सब कुछ enjoy कर सकते हैं आप.
Olympics की 1 week ఉంది మనకి chances ఎలా ఉన్నాయి
Obviously, men's doubles is very very strong. So उनको तो 95% I'm thinking gold medal आ सकता है. Singles we definitely are very very strong too, but the level is very equal and anyone can perform well. So the chances are there that in women's singles Sindhu is there, in men's singles Pranoy and Lakshya are there, in men's doubles Chirag and Satvik are there. So we are hopeful that everyone is going to get a medal, and of course I am also going to watch it, as I'm not there this time because of my knee arthritis, and but obviously it feels bad when you have played 3 Olympics, but I think you have to carry on, and now I am there to support them, and I hope we get a lot of medals for the country.
మనకి ఏ కంట్రీ నుంచి స్ట్రాంగ్ అవుతుంది
I definitely feel China, Korea is strong, Carolina Marin is strong, and Japan is very strong. So as I said, top 10 players are all equal. So I cannot say one name at the moment. The same thing with the men's. You can see Victor is playing well, Christy is playing well, Shiuki is playing well. So even they have a lot of players. Even they have a lot of players who can, who can win medals. So I can't pinpoint one name, but all of them have good chances to get medal in the Olympics. Yeah.
Give a motivational slogan to Olympic candidates.
Motivational slogan. I think all of them are very experienced. They know what to do to get medal. They all are hard-working people, and luck is always with the people who work hard. So I'm sure they know what to do, and they're all working very hard to get the medal. So all the best to everyone. Yeah.
రీసెంట్గా రాష్ట్రపతితో కూడా బ్యాడ్మింటన్
जी, जी, जी.
సో అది ఎలా అనిపించింది అంటే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్
I would like to thank हमारे राष्ट्रपति जी, उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया, और she invited me, actually एक motivational talk था वहाँ पे, so I went there, and I was so surprised to see that there were so many young kids who wanted to play badminton along with me, but वहाँ पे मुझे president के साथ खेलने का मौका मिलेगा was something very very big. It is like a dream come true, पहले कभी नहीं हुआ है हिस्ट्री में, बट पहली बार वो मेरे साथ खेली, मुझे विश्वास भी नहीं हो रहा था. वो अच्छी प्लेयर है, शी यूज्ड टू प्ले एज वेल. वो काफ़ी, उनके हस्बैंड भी खेलते थे, तो उन्होंने ही उनको खेलने के लिए मोटिवेट किया, एंड शी वॉज टॉकिंग टू मी ऑन दैट डे, एंड शी वॉज लाइक रोज इवनिंग आई मेक श्योर आई एम प्लेइंग सम स्पोर्ट, एंड शी प्लेड बैडमिंटन विद अस. आई थिंक नथिंग इज बिगर देन दैट. सो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक हमारे प्रेसिडेंट जिन्होंने हम बैडमिंटन को इतना बढ़ावा दिया, एंड आई एम श्योर सभी स्पोर्ट्स को इतना बढ़ावा मिले. और क्या चाहिए इंडिया में. आई वॉन्ट कि स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर और ग्रो हो, एंड दैट्स व्हाट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट.
బట్ మన ఇండియాలో ప్లేయర్స్కి కరెక్ట్ సపోర్ట్ లభిస్తుంది గవర్నమెంట్ కావచ్చు గైడెన్స్
That is, I think it's growing. The more the results, the better it is. Now the results are coming. Government is sending them to all the tournaments. We have so many organizations who are funding the young athletes, which was not there when I started playing. Lekin now the things are changing, and it's changing for good, because now in the 10th and 11th standard we don't have to think कि पढ़ाई करना है या इसमें, because we have the organizations. which are helping all the athletes so that they can take badminton as a professional career. Yeah.
Thought process that you need equipment for healthy dental itself is wrong. Thought process of prevention, which is a preventive pediatric dental clinic, wherein we are encouraging children to have, just like physical activity, when you encourage oral activity, they have straight teeth, cavity-free mouth and healthy gums naturally. That is what we are promoting. That's how our clinic is different from regular dental clinic, wherein our youngest child is 2 days old and we see up till their teenage, and we ensure that their jaws and teeth are growing naturally. As they are growing, time to time we'll have to just help them, motivate them to, have certain aspects of our life set, whatever our grandparents used to teach earlier, healthy eating and the way our muscles and of jaw functions. Similarly, without equipments, how to give dental health in a very good way is what we are focusing on.
Any age limit for kids?
Here we see from 0 to 19.
Hi ma'am, how are you? I'm Lasya. Ma'am, what is your proud moment as an athlete?
Olympic medal and being world number one, it's something every player dreams of. There is no retake.